Not a great way to start my Saturday. So we finished the gas bottle, we have another one, camping gas. We change it and it's not working. It seems that the gas is too lean, so it won't stay on fire. I mean, it wouldn't burn properly. So we have a 33 pounds bottle that we can simply throw in the water because it doesn't work. So we're gonna drive 17 kilometers without even knowing if the only hardware store on the island have a bottle. Happy Vanlife, my ass. We found a decent parking just outside Oban, but I want to show you the sign because yeah, we're gonna stay here the night, but you know, it's forbidden. Let's go to check this sign. What does it say? It's right at the beach, so it's really nice. It's a really rainy morning. We've been just outside Oban last night in the parking. We met a nice couple from London and Australia. They travel with a really small vanette. It's really tiny. I mean, ours is just a mansion, yeah, compared to for a really small van. We're still sleeping, so we can't say goodbye, but the plan is to drive a little bit north, like 50 kilometers to Glencoe. Lovely morning here at Glencoe. It's clearing up a little bit. You can see bluish. The weather will be like that today and this week, probably like a little bit of rain and then a little bit of blue and sun. That's my camera there, so I put the umbrella and the tripod to protect from the rain. It's ingenious. But these clouds are absolutely beautiful. I really love them. They're so intense, and look at that. Yeah, that's the bridge there. Look at here, the clouds. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So I'm taking some look at this picture, it's beautiful. Taking some time lapse, and in a bit we're gonna go around 30 kilometers from here to a secret place to feed some deer. So Glen Etive, it's a beautiful loch. The road is just fantastic. You just go in the beginning, like in this gap in between the mountain, and it's just beautiful. And the day it's perfect. It's bluish, sunny, cloudy. It's really beautiful. I got my carrots, but we didn't saw any deer so far. So we saw some in a kind of farm, couple kilometers back in the field, but not as we were expecting, like on the road. Well, yeah. We're probably not gonna stay here today because Mel and I as well, we need Wi-Fi today to work, and there's no connection here at all, as you can imagine. But we're gonna stay here maybe an hour just to get some time lapse and some footage. It's really lovely. See you. Bye. Peace, love. So we came back, and yeah, as soon we had some connection. So that's the main road down there, but we found a nice parking spot right here, right in between the mountains. Look at that. Look at, oh, there's another mountain down there. But yeah, it's a nice place. And yeah, we're gonna pass here today and probably the night. There's a campfire as well. Here. Oh, che la piscia che ti piscia. I don't know. It's just a couple hours I'm here, just at the bottom. It turns out a beautiful sunset and 360. let's do a 360. Look at that. Look at that. Don't look at me. Look at the mountains behind. Camera. Bing. Camera. Bing. Yeah, that was really, really nice. Amazing sunset, and you know, it didn't start so well today. It was foggy, rainy, dirty, blah 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 blah. Occhio la biscia che ti piscia. So usually when I stay in one place doing time lapse and things move into hour, I start to you know just speak some random things. As I'm alone here, so I can even scream if I want.